2007 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, CD changer, power lift gate, stability control, all-wheel drive, navigation system, traction control, driver airbag. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.